Hello everyone, my name is Akash Ingole and I welcome you all to my channel, and let's see what we are going to implement in this video. Okay, so guys, yesterday while I was coding, I came across this issue. So I was implementing a dialog box in which when I tried to open it on a button click, I was able to close it on cross button click, which is a easy functionality we all know. So while I was trying to close it on outside click, okay, so when I was trying to close it on outside click, I was not able to do so. So let's see how we can perform this same functionality in React. Okay, so let's see the code first, what I have done right now. So friends, this is the simple boilerplate that I have created in which we can see it is a simple button, a heading tag and a modal component. Okay, let's see the modal component also. It is nothing but a simple h1 tag and a cross button, okay, and with some styling that you can see over here. And what I have done, I am simply hiding it if open is not true. Okay, let's see what is open and handle close. Okay, so friends, open and handle close and handle click open are simply the handlers. Basically, open and set open is our state that will manage the visibility of the modal component, and these are the handler basically to open it and to close it. Now what we can do, let's create the file for outside click functionality. So friends, this is the file where we are going to code our outside click functionality. So let's understand the concept that what we are going to build. So what I am going to do is I am simply going to attach a ref to this component, that is our modal component, and I will listen to the on click listener. So what will happen, whenever we will be clicking on the document, we will be getting a callback in which we will be also getting the target element. Like let's suppose I am clicking over here outside. So what I will be also getting the document also where I am clicking, and what I will do, I will also attach a ref to this dialog box also. Okay, so let's see, let's code this functionality. So for coding this, we will be needing a ref. Let's create a ref first. Okay, so friends, we have created a simple ref over here, use ref with initial value as null. Now what we can do, one more thing, we will be needing some props. So what are the props that we will be needing? Basically, we will be needing the children first of all to render over here. So friends, these are the props that we'll be needing: on click outside and children. So children is basically simple a component that we'll be wrapping it around, so we have to render it. And on click outside is basically that what you need to do, whatever action you need to perform if the reference does not match the document reference and the ref that we are attaching. Okay, so what we can do simply over here, let's first attach the ref like this, and one more check that we can add to avoid error, that if we do not have children, then simply return null. Okay, great. So far we are good to go. Okay, now what we can do, let's use effect hook. Okay, and inside this we are going to listen for the on click listener. Okay, so friends, this is how we can add the event listener on click. Okay, this is the event and this is the function that we are going to call. One more thing that we can do over here, we can simply remove the event listener also. That is a good practice on component will unmount. Okay, so this is how we can remove the event listener also. Now let's create the main part, that is this function handle click outside. In this function, what we need to do is we simply need to compare the ref and the event that we are going to get inside this callback. Basically, how we are going to do, first we will simply check if ref dot current, basically if we have ref dot current and if we have ref dot current dot contains, we will check if our ref dot current dot contains event dot target basically. Okay, so it's a simple check. We simply need to check if this ref, okay, this document and the document that we are clicking, if they do not match, it means we are not clicking on a document and we are clicking outside it. Okay, or we are clicking somewhere else. So what we can do, we can simply perform the functionality that we need to perform. Like if we talk about this video, so we need to simple close our pop-up. So first we will check if we have on click outside, and then we will simply call it. Okay. So far so good. So this is the code. Basically we have simply created a ref. We have simply like written the props over here that we are getting. Then it's a simple functionality to check if the ref is not matching with the event on which we are clicking, event.target basically. And inside the use effect we are doing this, we are listening and adding event listener and removing event listener, and this is where we are simply rendering the children. Now the one thing that we need to do is in our app.js, where we simply need to wrap it around check click outside the model component like this. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, now let's see on click outside. Okay, so it's not working because we have missed one thing, that is we need to pass this prop. Let's rerun the code. Let's reload the page, and okay, and now let's see on clicking outside. Good. So as we can see, when we click outside, the dialog box disappears or it gets closed. Okay, so our functionality is working. Yeah. So friends, this is what the code looks like. Let's go through it once more. This is a simple app.js where we have simple our state and the handlers to close and open the dialog box. Then we have this model component. I have shown you the code. It's a simple HTML and CSS. Then this is the main functionality where we have used this ref to simply match. If that ref and that target doesn't match, then we simple hide our or close our model box. Okay. So I hope you like this implementation, and if you have liked this video, then do like it, do share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.